Having the right RAM can significantly improve your gaming experience. In this video, I will be discussing the top 5 RAM options tailored for gaming, ensuring you won't encounter frustrating lag and delays during your gaming sessions. It's important to note that the ideal RAM varies from person to person, as not all RAM is designed with the same user in mind. That's why I've carefully curated a selection of options to cater to various gaming scenarios, ensuring that regardless of your specific requirements, you'll find the perfect RAM for your gaming needs. The products listed in this video are not ranked in any particular order, so make sure to stay tuned to catch all the important details. First on my list is the Corsair Vengeance DDR5, my choice for the best RAM for most people. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 gives you all the benefits of DDR5 memory, unlocking even faster frequencies, greater capacities, and better performance than previous generations. This comes in various sizes, starting from 16 GB all the way up to 64 GB, which is more than enough for any gaming or content creation needs. Now with these capacities, you can be sure that your rig is future-proof and ready for the next wave of resource-intensive games. As modern CPUs feature more and more cores, the unprecedented speed of the DDR5 ensures your high-end CPU gets data quickly, enabling faster processing, rendering, and buffering than ever before. The Vengeance DDR5 RAM features blazing fast speeds of up to 7,200 mAh, making it one of the fastest DDR5 RAM kits on the market. With such speeds, you can expect significantly reduced latency, which translates to smoother gameplay and better overall performance. The powerful Corsair ICUE software allows you to customize, synchronize, and monitor all your Corsair devices under one roof. It enables real-time frequency readings, onboard voltage regulation, and even more. Now you can customize your own XMP profiles to tailor performance by app or task for greater efficiency. Next on my list is the G-Skill Trident Z5. The G-Skill Trident Z5 is a great all-around SDR RAM kit that delivers capacities ranging from 16 GB to 64 GB, ensuring there's an option for everyone, no matter how demanding your gaming needs are. Now when it comes to speed, the Trident Z5 boasts an impressive base speed of 4,800 megatransfers per second. That's a significant step up from the DDR4 standard, and it translates to faster load times and better overall performance for your favorite games. But it doesn't stop there. With overclocking support, you can push this RAM kit even further, reaching speeds of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second. Key management is always a concern when it comes to gaming rigs, and the Trident Z5. The modules feature a high-performance aluminum heat spreader, which is not only great for dissipating heat, but also adds a sleek, stylish look to your build. The Trident Z5 is available in metallic silver or matte black, and with its low-profile design, you'll have no problem fitting this RAM kit anywhere. Even with larger CPU coolers, it is essential to make sure your RAM is compatible with your system. The Trident Z5 has a wide compatibility, being able to be utilized on both AMD and Intel socketing motherboards. However, it must be noted that the G-Skill Trident is optimized so for those of you who love adding a touch of personalization to your gaming rig. The Trident Z5 features customizable RGB lighting. You can easily choose from a wide range of colors and lighting effects, allowing you to match your RAM to the rest of the build. Just go wild with some eye-catching combinations. And to top it all off, G-Skill offers a limited lifetime warranty on the RAM kit, giving you peace of mind when making your purchase. Next on my list is the Corsair Dominator Platinum, my choice for the best overall RAM for gaming. The Corsair Dominator Platinum series is known for its sleek design and top-notch performance. These high-performance SDR RAM DDR4 memory modules come in two 16 GB units for a total of 32 GB of capacity. They boast a base clock speed of up to 3,200 MHz with generous overclocking potential to push performance even higher. The Dominator Platinum modules are built with precision die casting and anodization, so they're made to last. The patented dual-path DHX cooling technology is built directly into the PC to effectively dissipate heat and ensure your memory stays cool during long gaming sessions. Now, the module's design is based on a custom 10-layer high-performance PB that guarantees signal quality. They have a premium look with a white top bar and heat spreader with gold accents that match the clean look of other white Corsair products. As for the Vengeance DDR5 that we talked about earlier, the Dominator is supported by Corsair's ACEV software that brings your system to life and keeps you informed with real-time temperature and frequency readings. Now it comes equipped with 12 ultra-bright, individually addressable LEDs that are customizable through HUD. You can choose from a variety of preset lighting profiles or create your own with virtually limitless lighting patterns and effects. And you can synchronize your RAM's lighting with other ICUE-compatible devices to create the ultimate gaming atmosphere. The Dominator Platinum series is compatible with the Intel and AMD DDR4 platforms, ensuring that you can take advantage of the fastest RAM speeds. Just make sure to check your motherboard's memory compatibility list to ensure that you're getting the most out of your upgrade. The Corsair Dominator Platinum is an outstanding choice to upgrade your gaming memory and overall performance. With its high clock speeds, exceptional cooling, and stunning aesthetics, it's no wonder that this RAM is a top choice for gamers. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the Crucial RAM 16GB DDR4. The Crucial 16GB DDR4 RAM is from Micron, one of the largest memory manufacturers in the world. It has a really affordable option that can provide a quick and easy upgrade to your gaming system. The Crucial 16GB has a speed of 3,200 mAh, which allows for fast load times and smooth gameplay, so you never miss a beat. While in the heat of battle, it's also flexible to downclock to 2,933 MHz or 2,666 MHz. If your system has those Maximum's Crucial offers from 4GB up to 32GB modules of DDR4 that can be combined for up to 64GB in total. The RAM has been module level tested for super reliability backed by Micron's 42 years in the business. The RAM runs at 1.2 volts, which is the standard. Most DDR4 memory modules are designed to operate at this voltage, ensuring compatibility and stability with other systems. Overall, the Crucial RAM 16GB DDR4 is a fantastic choice for gamers looking to upgrade their system. It's affordable, easy to install, has reliable performance, and comes in a variety of capacities based on your needs. And last on my list is the Corsair Vengeance LPX, my choice for the best RAM for the money. The Corsair Vengeance LPX has been around for a while now, but it still provides amazing utility for the money, so it earns a spot on our Top 5 2023 list. Now when this comes to gaming, speed is key, and the Corsair Vengeance LPX delivers 133 mAh with lots of headroom for overclocking. Overclocking overhead is limited by operating temperature. The unique design of the Vengeance LPX heat spreader optimally pulls away heat from the ICs and into your system's cooling path so you can push it harder. This kit ensures that smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking takes place. What's more, it comes with XMP2. Support for simple one-setting installation and setup. One setting is all it takes to automatically adjust to the fastest safe speed for your LPX kit. You'll get amazing, reliable performance without lockups or other strange behavior. The Corsair Vengeance LPX is available in various capacities, from 16GB to 256GB, catering to gamers with different needs and budgets. It's compatible with most Intel and AMD platforms, meaning you don't need to worry about compatibility issues. Just remember to double-check your motherboard specs to ensure the RAM is supported. The Vengeance LPX sports a sleek, low-profile design, making it an ideal choice for compact builds or if you're using a large CPU cooler. The aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat from each module, ensuring stable performance even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it's available in multiple colors, allowing you to match the RAM to your build's aesthetic. Corsair is known for its high-quality products, and the Vengeance LPX is no exception. Each module is hand-sorted and rigorously tested to ensure top-notch performance. To back this up, Corsair offers a limited time warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a product that the company stands behind. The Corsair Vengeance LPX delivers outstanding performance and reliability, all while being quite affordable compared to other RAM options. With its competitive pricing, you're getting excellent bang for your buck, especially considering the top-tier gaming experience it provides. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all till next time.